Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by creating a clear structure. Apply title and heading 1 styles to the top and main sections so navigation and consistency follow. Once done, set page size, margins, and orientation to match your output, print, or screen matters. Make sure to add a header or footer and page numbers so readers can reference pages easily. This initial setup saves time later because styles control spacing, fonts, and automated tables of contents. So apply them now and move on to content formatting. Next, focus on text and paragraph formatting. Select normal text and adjust font family, size, and line spacing so blocks read well on screen and paper. Once you set spacing and indents, apply bold or italic for emphasis, but use color only when it improves clarity. Make lists with bullets or numbers and convert nested points into multi-level lists for hierarchy. This ensures automatic spacing and uniform bullets. Also, check alignment and widow/orphan control to avoid single lines at page breaks. Finally, complete the layout. Insert images using wrap text or break text for predictable flow, and resize images consistently so the document feels balanced. Once images and tables are placed, generate a table of contents from your headings and scan for inconsistent styles. Update headings if needed. Export to PDF to preserve fonts and pagination before sharing. If formatting breaks or shifts, reopen the document. Clear local overrides by reapplying styles, and then re-export. That usually fixes stray spacing or font.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.